Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your car battery. First, always prioritize your safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a 10mm or 13mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. These simple precautions ensure a safe and smooth process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, find the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable. Loosen and remove this cable as well. Finally, detach any battery hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in place. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lift out the old battery, remembering they can be quite heavy, often weighing around 30 to 40 pounds. Clean the battery tray thoroughly to remove any corrosion. Place the new battery into the tray, ensuring it's secure. Connect the positive cable to the new battery's positive terminal first, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. To finish up, ensure all terminal connections are tightened firmly to prevent any loose contact, which can cause issues. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. This helps extend your battery's life. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a recycling center or an auto parts store, as they contain hazardous materials. Finally, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.